Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will keep learning Chinese. And here we are, 生病, 失去, Guys, I asked this sentence to my Chinese friend and she said this sentence probably wrong. So we just look at the meaning of the words. 生病 here, being is sick, ill, 是 10, 去 means go, 8, 8, 9 is 9.孩子, the child, saying, Mama, mother, 我累了, I am tired. 课也很课, 课 means month. 也 also 很课, 很 very, 课 Thursday. I am tired and also very Thursday. 爸爸妈妈上了一天班，很累了。爸爸妈妈 my father and mother, 上班 means go to work. And here we have 了 means past tense, worked. 一天 means one day. 很累了 very tired. So my father and mother worked for one day, so they are very tired. 就在里面休息。在 at on, 里面 means inside the house. 休息 means rest, so they are having rest inside. 他累了，渴了。He is tired and 渴了 thirsty. 累了就睡觉了。Tired, or you can say I am tired. 就睡觉了。Just wanna sleep. 睡觉 means sleep. 7点50分了。7点 means that 7 o'clock 50分。7 o'clock 50 past 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are just numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 他们做了7天。他们 means they, 做 means leave. They left for 7天 means for 7 days. For example, they can be go for a holiday. 她有一个姐姐和两个弟弟。She has one elder sister and two younger brother. 2年过去了，过去 means past. 2 year past. 这样过了2个月。2 months passed. 这样 like this. 就这样过了1天、2天、3天。Like this, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days passed. 他们有2个孩子，一个男孩和一个女孩。They have 2个孩子 two children. One of them is 男孩 a boy. One of them is a girl 女孩。2年过去了 2 years 过去 passed. 这3个同行了2天。这3个 here the third, the three, there are 3 people and they are 同行 means travel together, guys. 2天. So the 3 people traveled together for 2 days. 我要出去找工作，同时也去找哥哥。I want 出去 to go out, 找 look for, 工作 means work. I want to go out to look for a work. 同时 means at the same time. 也去 also I will go to 找 look for 哥哥 elder brother. Look for my elder brother. 哥到日一同起身。Here, 哥 is elder brother. 到 means arrive. 日 means day. So we can say when the day comes. 一同 means together and also it has a meaning at the same time and place. So when the day comes, my elder brother at that time, 起身 means get up. He get up. 他 Huan kuaide jiaozhi mama mama. Ta huan kuaide. Here we use the before a verb. So huan kuai here is a adjective, means cheerful. So he cheerfully called, like mama mama. He cheerfully called mom mom. I 叫小四. My name is 小四. 的叫了起来. Here there's something, there's a quote, but here we can translate. 叫了起来, guys, means cried or called. 还觉得有谁在叫我. Hi means still. 觉得 think, I am still thinking. 有谁 there is someone 在叫我. If there's 在 before verb, it means it's continuous tense. So I think there is someone who is calling me 在叫我. 哥哥叫哥哥. My elder brother just calling elder brother. It means I have at least 2 elder brothers. 他叫了起来. She cried or called. 别叫了多多. 别 means 不要, don't. Called or don't cry much. 多 means much. Okay guys, in next video we will start from here. See you, bye bye.